Hey guys, Aaron Williams here at MarineMax Jupiter, on the water today with a 2024 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. Got a pretty loaded out 16 Super Sport here. We did the bench style seating. It's got built-in cup holders and cup holders on the dash. We've got a 90 horsepower Mercury engine, a optional cooler that also doubles as an extra seat for when you got the boat fully loaded with people. Up front, we've got a really good storage area for your bow anchor. Ski tow pylon, which is perfect for getting your kids out there, towing a tube, even getting on some skis, really kind of maximizing the capabilities of the 16 Super Sport. So whether this is a tender or this is just a runabout to hit all the islands, this boat really has everything that you need on it. Bimini top here to keep you out of the sun. Stainless steel ladder for when you are at the sandbar and you're anchored out. Really great all-around platform to get you guys out onto the water. If you like what you saw here and you want to see this boat in person or others like it, come on down to MarineMax Jupiter and ask for Aaron, and we hope to get you guys out on the water.